welcome to my channel. I'm Tara. Thank you for being here. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about what I'm doing and then I'm gonna let you guys watch. I'm gonna be doing a dark pearl cell base and a Dutch pour over top like I've been doing. My mix for the Satin Enamel base is on this one, I think I used, this was actually a few weeks back, so I'm sorry, but I think I used 2 parts bare Satin Enamel deep base, 3 parts FLOETROL, 1 part GAC 800, and I don't think I put any Liquitex in this one. And then you water to consistency, which and then the tube paint, which I put in about 1 ounce of tube paint straight from the tube. This is Amsterdam. So I have been playing with a formula. That formula isn't exactly what I've been doing lately, but that's the one I used for this one. I will be coming up with a formula that is what I've been using here, but I do have some tweaks I need to do before I release the formula. So alright guys, well, if you ever have any questions, please let me know. I answer every question. I look at every comment, so please feel free to ask me questions. I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch. Another question that I get a lot is, are my puddle paints and my Dutch pour paints the same consistency? And that is yes. So this turquoise blue that I put over top of the satin enamels in the Payne's gray, that is the same exact paint I used for the Dutch pours. So my puddle paints and my Dutch pour paints are the same. I do have a paint mixing video that shows how I mix my paints for Dutch pours, as well as the pearl cells, the white pearl cells, so I will link that as well as in the description box. So alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoy what you're seeing. Please, if you do, like, share on your social medias, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video. It really does help when you guys do those things. Helps the channel, helps YouTube to recognize me in the algorithm, this beast of an algorithm, and commenting as well does the same. So yeah, I appreciate you all being here, and don't forget to head over to my dad's channel, DJ Fluid Arts. He's got some cool stuff on his channel, so go check him out. So yeah, that's about it guys. I hope you have a great day.